Hello friends, welcome back to Shreyalogue. How are you all doing? How's the holiday season been treating all of you? So remember in my last video, I spoke to you all about the biggest challenge that I'm going to be taking before 2020 begins. But then I got to thinking, what is the fun in taking up a challenge all alone? Every time a year ends, we look back. We look back at the precious memories that we created. We look back at the wins that we celebrated. We look back at the growth that we accomplished. We look back at the lessons we learned, and we look back at the losses that made us feel so sad. But this year end, it's not a normal year end, okay? It's the end of 2010s, a beginning of a completely new decade. We are entering into a whole new decade. So before you say goodbye to 2019, let us up the game a little bit for all of us. So I would request you to grab your journal, grab a pen, find some quiet and peace and time for yourself. Let me tell you, it's not the regular 10 minutes of me time that I'm talking about. It's gonna take you a bit of time, and write down all the thoughts that enter your mind when you are thinking about the prompts that I am going to give you right now. So prompt number 1, go back to all those years, all those 10 years that you spent. Go back, find out one achievement per year and note it down. Let me repeat, find out only one achievement per year. For example, 2012 I graduated, if that is the biggest accomplishment that you can talk about. So find that one achievement per year and jot it down. Prompt number 2, in this past decade, you might have some obstacle that you are still fighting with, and you also might have that one obstacle which you overcame. Talk about it. Write it down. Prompt 3, jot down those 3 important learnings that you gained in the past 10 years. Just think about it. You have to, take out some time and actually think about those 3 learnings, because those 3 are actually going to guide our decisions when we set our goals and when we plan our future, especially 2020 right now. So with these 3 prompts, the workshop 1 begins. Take out your journals, take out all your planners, take out those calendars, those blogs that you wrote, those calendars in which you have marked those special dates, those emails and hidden folders that you might have created. Just take it all out and jog your memory, like really jog your memory. This may take some time. I definitely understand this is not going to be a simple exercises for you guys. It's gonna take a lot of time, but trust me when I say this, it is going to be worth it. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. This was the video 1 of the workshop series that I'm going to be doing on goal setting and goal planning. Tag that friend, share the video with that friend or family member who really likes to plan everything in advance and is really looking forward to planning their 2020. I hope I'm able to help them out as well. So like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe right now. Also, for people who do not have a planner and who are thinking of buying a planner, please check out the description box. I have put in a link of LetsGoal 2020 planner, which is a really comprehensive planner for all you planner addicts out there. Also, there is a link for the 2020 calendar if you want to gift someone this new year. So thank you so much, friends, for watching the video once again. Like, share, subscribe. Keep watching Shreyalogue, and please drop in tomorrow for workshop part 2 video on goal setting and goal planning. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.